Alright, nice gang, we are back for another video, and today we're just gonna be doing a video on, I guess Young Thug, Gunna, YSL, obviously because, you know, they did drop, what was it called, Slime Language 2, or what was it called? I forgot what it was called. It was Slime something with slime, man. You guys know Young Thug, alright? Love the album, alright, I'm like halfway done with it. I don't know why I'm taking so long to listen to the whole album, but like every single song I hear is just fire. So like that album, it doesn't miss, honestly. There are some songs that are way better than others, but yeah, that album is top tier. So we're gonna try and emulate one of the songs from it. Maybe not emulate one of the songs, I'm gonna make my own thing. You already know how this goes. But yeah, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. And I'm gonna see you, actually what am I doing? Alright. Melody's kind of cool. Kind of. Let's change the pitch around a little. Let's play around with the pitch. Okay, that's cool. Now, this one needs to turn up. The first one needs to turn up a lot. Let me try.
$2,000 later.
Alright, you know what? I'm gonna try out this melody because it kind of sounds kind of cool, so I'm just gonna try it out. It's kind of hard. Alright, you know, let's get the hi-hats on. Let's just get the hi-hats on, honestly. Let's get a kick too. I need a kick. Definitely need a kick. Kicks. We need a hard kick though. Let me get. Let's get a TM88 kick. I owe my entire beatmaking career to Omnisphere, honestly. Cause I just get beat blocked with every other VST. Omnisphere, it don't matter. Alright, let's try this. We're gonna get some stutter hats real quick. Let me, let's save this. The beat is kind of done. I just gotta mix it because the kick you can barely hear it, and some of the sounds I want to hear. I want you to be able to hear more. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix the beat real quick. You know what? I like it. I like it. Some of you probably not gonna like the snare, but it is what it is. I like it. I'm just gonna.